So everything's closed because of fire hazard. No! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to check out the other side of Stave Lake. The last few times I've been on the west side, and now I'm going to go on the east side and check out some roads up there and see if I can get some views and get to a lake somewhere maybe. And yeah, otherwise you'll just do some more exploring. Alright, let's hit the road. Almost time to harvest the carrots. I got a few more lettuce. I got one little tomato. I've readjusted the microphone, so hopefully it's a little bit better. We'll see. We're going through another heat wave for the next number of days. Gonna get up into the mid 30, 35-ish Celsius. And I go back to work tomorrow. So that'll make it, tomorrow's supposed to be the hottest day. That'll make it the 3 hottest days of the year I've had to work on. You can see I jibby jobbed my extra windscreen. Just with some clear tape until the new one comes. Hopefully it holds up. Oh, my truck's in the shop right now, just for its annual service or oil change. It's also got a rattle in it, and that's where it is. So I'll have to come back later and pick it up. I don't want to say anything important while I'm riding, just in case the sound isn't good. So I'm just going to use this as a test to see how the microphone's working at speed, if my new positioning is any good or I need a new spot. Test, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so this is the west side of Stave Lake. We're going to continue on over the dam and see what we find on the east side. Nice day to be on a boat. Apparently, somewhere down this road, we can get onto some dirt. There's so many gates around here, stopping you from getting into the backcountry. In this area anyways, so it can be tricky. Jesus. This whole area, you just can't get anywhere. So everything's closed because of fire hazard. Alright, gonna head 6 kilometers down the road and see there's another possibility on the map. And if that doesn't work, I guess we're going back around Stave Lake West and muck around there. Doesn't look very promising. I guess we'll head back to Stave Lake West. West. All right, ABS off. Let's see what we find. Maybe go up to that pit and play around in there. So I actually haven't seen these recreation areas, so I'm gonna check it out. Looks like not a bad spot to camp sometime. Let's see what this recreation site's all about. Well, someplace new along this road. There's definitely some nice camping spots. End of the line. Well, I guess I head back out and head up the road a little bit more, and that's that. Well, it'd be nice to have the drone, but just got the email that it's being repaired or they're going to replace it, so hopefully that doesn't cost me anything since it was a malfunction. Normally I would say I'm the culprit, but this time it just dropped. So we'll see, I guess in a few days. Well, obviously machines have been working in this area and digging up the little playground. Took away all the good stuff. Well, looks like everything's pretty much closed because of the fires or because somebody came with an excavator and dug up the playground. Well, I guess we'll just head on back out. It's getting pretty hot anyways. 30 degrees now. So it's getting pretty toasty. Well, we found a few new things, at least where the campgrounds are and stuff here at Stave Lake. But didn't get to check out anything on the east side, thanks to everything being closed. I do have some stuff planned to head up north, but I got to do some extra shifts over the next week, so those plans are delayed. Oh, they're filming. I could be another kind of a star. Hopefully get some more camping stuff overnighters up north. There's a few places I want to check out. Lots of good stuff up there. I think I'll have more success heading north than east to Stave Lake. Gonna go get something to eat, probably be able to pick up the truck, and then get ready for work tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Lake, so the last few times I've been there, I've gone on well, the bag has managed to stay on even with this crappy cargo net. Okay. Huh? Too much of a slope.